The vertical cartoning machine is an innovative solution that revolutionizes the process of forming and closing boxes. With its advanced features and efficient design, it offers unparalleled convenience and product. While the vertical cartoning machine offers the option of automatic loading, it also caters to manual product insertion. This flexibility allows for customized packaging solutions and provides an advantageous choice for operators based on their specific requirements. The machine's user-friendly interface and intuitive controls make it easy for operators to navigate and operate, eliminating any complexity or downtime. In terms of productivity, the vertical cartoning machine excels in delivering high-speed performance without compromising on accuracy. Its efficient mechanisms and precise controls ensure smooth and seamless operation, minimizing any chances of errors or rejections. This ultimately translates into increased production rates and enhanced profitability for businesses. In conclusion, the vertical cartoning machine is a game-changer in the packaging industry. With its advanced features, adjustable components, and versatile options for product insertion, it offers unparalleled convenience, productivity, and flexibility. Whether it's for small-scale or large-scale operations, the vertical cartoning machine is the go-to solution for businesses looking to streamline their packaging processes and achieve superior results.